Hey everybody, well, I'm out here in sunny California and I'm gonna saw this tree down that's growing inside the base of a redwood tree. This is a tree I'm gonna cut down. I'm just gonna saw it off, but anyway, it's inside the base of the redwood tree. You can't hardly tell it, but if you was out here you could tell it. I'm going to use this really nice Fiskars saw to do it with. Fiskars. Ta-da! Alright. Here we go. It's going to fall over my shoulder. I'm just going to lay my phone right here and saw this baby down. Oh, I need to tell you that I'm like standing on a ladder and I'm 6 foot up in the air already. Actually, I think I better get up here a little higher. Because I'm getting through. Oh, it smells so good. It's a bay tree, bay leaf tree or something. Bay tree. It's real spicy. There he goes. Woohoo! There it is. Anyway. All right. All is well. Let me make the last cut. It's going to flip at me a little bit. All right, we're almost done. We're done. Ta-da! Have a good one. Take care. Bye.